So let's get cracked on again from Whitby Abbey. We're going to go back over the bridge. So at the bottom of the hill we're going to turn right to go back over the bridge again. So we leave Whitby now to Scarborough. Now Whitby itself is a fantastic place to visit. So we came out of Whitby and we're now heading on the coast road. And as we go over this bridge, hopefully you will be able to see all of Whitby. There it is. How cool is that? The abbey overlooking the harbour, all the yachts, the houses, the lot. And that is where Captain Cook started his great adventures. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. And now we're back into the North Yorkshire Moors National Park. How cool is that? Just on the left here at Thirsk, you can turn left to head down to Robin Hood's Bay. There's the moors over there again. That's where we came over on our way to Whitby. We're now following the coast road down, but even the heather butts up to this road. That's how vast it is, the national park. They do a hell of a good job, you know. Sky looks quite strange today, doesn't it? Regimented lines of cumulus nimbus. That looks like the old phrase up there, doesn't it? Every cloud has a silver lining. As long as that cloud doesn't decide to make me moist, I'll be a happy boy. We've just gone over the route from Osmotherley to Ravenscar, which is called the Lykewake Walk. 42 miles over the moors. I did it as a young 16-year-old and I had blisters on my feet you can only imagine. But the tale goes that it was the monks who used to carry the dead in coffins 42 miles across the moors to bury them at sea. And then of course the bearers had to walk all the way back. Now no doubt it was done with a horse and cart, but having done the route, and I do remember some of it, I can't even see a horse and cart getting up some of the hills or along some of the tracks. You can research it online though. And that's where you end up. Just over there, there's a little place called Ravenscar. And that's where you walk to. And there used to be a little shop there, I don't know if it's still there anymore, where you would sign in to say that you'd completed the route. And you would get your little certificate, about credit card size, and your little black coffin badge. It's a good achievement really. Little village just to the north of Scarborough, Cloughton. Or at least that's how I pronounce it anyhow, Cloughton. Which means you're now getting close to Scarborough. Now in the little area of Burniston, where to the right there you can go and do the Dalby Forest Drive or ride to get yourself through the forest. Lovely journey actually, very nice journey. Great visitor centre there, and some place where you can just pull over and fall asleep on the grass if you wish, I suppose. So just as we're coming through Burniston, you've got the Jolly Sailors pub on the left there, but this little roundabout we're going to turn left on the A165 to take us into the north edge of Scarborough and to take us down towards the coast area. Now coming into North Bay, and at this roundabout we're going to turn left to take us down onto the seafront. Seafront apartments at Scarborough. Oh dear. There we have it. We're now down at the seafront. How cool is that? There's normally people surfing, in fact there's people out there surfing today. Here we are, middle of September. And there's people out there surfing. And I can guarantee, with first-hand knowledge, that the sea out there at the moment is bloody freezing. There you've got them surfing out there, look. North Bay. Very popular area. Although I don't know if I'd have built a block of flats. Seen the surfers on a mid-September day, which can only be described as slightly chilly. He's a big bugger there, isn't he, on that bench? My God. But that's what the area is all about. It's about people coming in, enjoying it, and just sitting and taking in the view. Watching the waves lap in. Having yourself an ice cream. The white buildings across there that look like tents, well, that is the Sea Life Centre. Perfectly positioned for drawing the water from the sea to make sure that the fish are looked after properly. It's also, or used to be, a seal sanctuary, looking after injured and sick seals before putting them back into the wild. They do a fantastic job, you know. Here we go.